making a pasta bake
Why?
because we got hungry. It's to prepare what's what after you just.
Okay, have you ever cooked before?
Yes.
I dabbled here and there.
See, look, now the onions are minced.
At the moment, I'm chopping up some peppers, and this is how my mum taught me to chop them.
Have you ever done this before?
Nah,
Never cooked anything in your life?
nah. Get my mum to do it.
Oh. Shall I show her this to prove that you can do it?
Yeah.
When you haven't tasted it yet.
I'm doing a better job than you, mum.
Just the rice, we're just laying on the rice right now.
Okay. It's good. Whoa,
You don't taste good.
what's wrong with it?
You don't taste nice. Hot.
Have you two ever done cooking before?
Yeah.
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 So why did that taste so horrible then?
It tastes alright.
It's just too hot. What's that face for? Is that a happy face?
Yeah, pasta bake, of course.
There's no cheese on it?
We're gonna get cheese. Hey, hold on.
Okay, so what have you learned?
I've learned how to work with Shiloh.
Teamwork.
I literally, like, he's my sous chef. Like, I made him cook. Like, if he wasn't for me, he would know how to do it. Like, this is what we call a balanced diet.
Yeah, balanced diet.
What's it like? Out of 10. 10.
Evidence of him cleaning his mess.
You can do it here, you can do it at home.
Right? Saying Jordan.
Out of 10.
11.